Hello all, my topic is apoptosis and inflammation. Apoptosis is a programmed cell death. It is an energy dependent process by which a cell brings about its own demise. In apoptosis, dismantle their contents without disrupting their membrane and induce neighboring cells to engulf them before they can release any inflammatory material. Programmed cell death is an active process. Morphologic changes during apoptosis: pronounced decreasing in cell volume, modification of the cytoskeleton which resulting in the membrane bubbling, condensation of the chromatin and degradation of the DNA into fragments. Reasons for apoptosis: in adults, programmed cell death is responsible for balancing cell proliferation and maintaining constant cell number in tissues undergoing cell turnover. Examples: about 5 into 10 raised to 11 blood cells are eliminated daily in humans by programmed cell death, balancing their continual production in the bone marrow. Programmed cell death provides a defense mechanism by which demanded and potentially dangerous cells can be eliminated. Virus infected cells frequently undergo programmed cell death, thereby preventing the production of new virus particles and limiting spread of the virus through the host organism. Programmed cell death in the cells with mutation that led to the development of cancer. Events of apoptosis. During apoptosis, chromosomal DNA is usually fragmented as a result of cleavage between nucleosomes. The chromatin condenses and the nucleus then break up into small pieces. The cell itself shrink and break up into membrane enclosed fragments called apoptotic bodies. Apoptotic cells and cell fragments are efficiently recognized and phagocytosed by both macrophages and neighboring cells. Cells that die by apoptosis are rapidly removed from tissues. Apoptosis can be initiated through one of two pathways. In the intrinsic pathway, the cell kills itself because it senses cell stress, while in the extrinsic pathway, the cell kills itself because of signals from other cells. Weak external signals may also activate the intrinsic pathway of apoptosis. Both pathways induce cell death by activating caspases, which are proteases or enzymes that degrade proteins. The two pathways both activate interior capsases, which then activate executaneous capsases, which then kill the cell by degrading proteins indiscriminately. Next topic is inflammation. Inflammation is a physiological response to a variety of stimuli such as infections and tissue injury. There are two types of inflammation: acute inflammation and chronic inflammation. In acute inflammation, systemic response or phase response, rapid alterations in the level of several plasma proteins. In chronic inflammation, persistent immune activation can resulting in this, which often has to pathogenic consequences. Central role of neutrophils in inflammation. In early stage of inflammatory response, the predominant cell type infiltrating the tissue is the neutrophil. Neutrophils' infiltration into the tissue peaks within the first 6 hours of an inflammatory response. Neutrophil production in the bone marrow increases to meet this need. A normal adult produces more than 10 raised to 10 neutrophils per day during the period of acute inflammation. Neutrophil production may increase as much as tenfold. Thank you.